Here's the problem. The vast majority of Americans are less prepared for a critical illness than they think. They assume that because they pay for health insurance or are covered with a disability plan, they're equipped to withstand the financial blow of a heart attack, stroke, or cancer diagnosis. However, the reality is that is simply not the case. It's true, a good health insurance plan can cover a great portion of medical costs, but only after things like deductibles, copays, and out-of-pocket maxes have been met. Even then, health insurance coverage does nothing to address the issue of a patient's income being lost while they are sick and recovering. And a disability plan, if a patient is lucky enough to have one, can help recover some of that income, but even the best plans replace only 50 to 60% of a patient's normal income. All the while, new medical expenses are creating an unprecedented need for extra cash. Two things always happen to every American when a critical illness strikes, regardless of their income, age, health coverage, disability coverage, or anything else. Their expenses go up and their income goes down. This is how debt begins to pile up, and it's a sad story that is all too common in America today. In 2012, 60% of bankruptcies in the U.S. were a direct result of a critical illness, and 80% of those bankrupted patients had health insurance coverage. The reality is, more protection is needed than health insurance or disability plans alone can provide. That's when owning a life insurance plan that includes living benefits becomes absolutely critical. KMG Insurance Solutions life insurance products come equipped with the most complete and comprehensive suite of living benefits riders on the market. These features are included on many of the policies that we issue and come at no extra cost to the client. When our policyholders suffer a heart attack, stroke, cancer diagnosis, or any qualifying critical, chronic, or terminal illness, they have the built-in option to accelerate a portion of their death benefit to give them the cash they need to cover the financial burden of that event. This cash is delivered directly to the patient tax-free and can be spent any way the patient sees fit, unlike health insurance payouts. In return, the death benefit that will eventually be received by the policy's beneficiary will be reduced accordingly, but the ability to access that money when it is needed most can keep a family financially whole through a crisis, and even help ensure that the policyholder lives a long and healthy life after the event. We'd like to show you how affordable it can be to protect your family's financial future where it is most vulnerable. In many cases, our clients actually lower their premium costs by switching to a KMG Insurance Solutions policy from their traditional death benefit only policy. To find out more about how living benefits can protect your family, call the number on your screen for a free consultation.